So I will guide you how you can put text above image in MS Word. So first you need to click on the insert and click on the picture. Click on this device and select the picture. Click on insert. You can drag the corner to make it resize. And now go to the insert and you can use text box option and word art option. So it's up to how you use it. So right now I'm clicking word art option, place it on the image like this one, type the desired text. So if you want to move the image, it is not moving. So how you can move that? Click on this layout option and click on this square option. Now you can move the image, but it is now in front of the text. So how you can send them to back? So click on this option, right click and send to back. Now again text is in front of image. Now click the image and click the text, and now right click and click group. Now you can move easily anywhere on the Word document. You can even resize it, even you can rotate it. So both text and image will rotate. So in this way you can easily put text above image in Word. So if you think this Word video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.